Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to follow a page on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to follow a page on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first, and after that, now to follow a page you will need to search for that page. Let's go to search for that page. You can see the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there and you can search for something like this style page, and hit on search again, and after that you will see all the posts and pages are relating to your keyword or for what you searched. Over here you will find all types of pages. Now you must first filter out all these pages and search for the one you want to join, and after that simply tap on join like this to join into a page of Facebook. And there guys, this is how you join a page on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.